There are days that seem to hold more light than others, a moment when the light lingers longer, the garden feels full, the meadow seems to hold its breath beneath the warmth of the sun. Litha, Midsummer Magic was created for that moment. This is a small folio kit and was designed as part of the year-long event #TheCreativeTurning, a creative walk through the seasons of the turning points of the year. The kit includes soft stained glass inspired pages and ephemera, perfect for small midsummer keepsakes for a celebration of the longest day, full of sunlight, bloom, sweetness, and the gentle magic of midsummer. Litha, Midsummer Magic is now available in my Etsy shop and available on Gumroad. The links will be in the description box.